Hello, my name is Jorge Martinez. I'm at Vizrt booth at InfoComm 2026. Thanks for visiting us. We are a software company working with real-time graphics and multiple multimedia workflows. One of the softwares that we are showing here is one of our solutions for virtual advertisements. So as you can see here, we can do a lot of virtual advertisements and also live player tracking that is using artificial intelligence. So the AI, it's also used to track the fields on different sports and track actually the players. So here, all these ads are virtual. They are not really there. Okay, so we have this. It could be like AR, like augmented reality, or it could be immersed within the field or the other parts of the stadium. Also, we can do data-driven graphics, so the live data could be fed into the graphics. Also, the lineups is very common and popular on sports that they use our technology with Vizrt. Okay, so here we are seeing that the live player tracking is used to track the players, also the plays in real time. Also this shot clock that we can see in the NBA, they use it to put the shot clock, also the down and distance, so we can see the first and 10 options graphics that we have here. Also in this case for motorsports, we can see that we can have this kind of virtual placements, okay, for different sports. It could be motorsports, soccer, football. There's a bunch of sports that we support. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching this.